Hi y'all, it's Ashley. I'm back and today we're gonna make another simple recipe, my spicy ramen recipe with soft boiled egg. I know you see that thing oozing like a wet Well, anyways, here's how you make it. If you're watching on YouTube, this video is already good. Like, comment, subscribe, share this recipe with your homies. So essentially this soft-boiled ramen recipe is just your basic Mr. Noodles, green onions all chopped up, bean sprouts, a soft-boiled egg split in two, black pepper, hot sauce, and soy sauce. I know it looks so yummy. And literally it tastes boom. Y'all follow my TikTok if you're watching on TikTok and share this video and like and comment because it only gets easier and yummier from here. Babe, if your eggs are jammy, then my hand's getting clammy. Anyways, so you want to start by turning up the heat on your burner. You want to turn it to medium-high heat. Take a medium-sized pot that's filled with water and just let that boil. So here's all the ingredients that I used. Mr. Noodles, spicy chicken ramen, Mr. Noodles, black pepper, soy sauce, of course. Then we have the green onions. Honestly, one of my favorite, what are they called? You know, the things that they put on top of food. Anyways, those are bean sprouts. This is a garnishes. That's what it's called. One of my favorite garnishes, guys. You're gonna need like a tongue or like a spoon that you can use to move your little soft-boiled egg around. And the secret ingredient is Grace's hot pepper sauce. Don't skip it. So here is your carton of 12 eggs. You are just gonna need one large egg. Now the trick is, don't let your water boil until it is at a rolling boil. You just want it to have some air bubbles. At this point, the water is ready, so you can take your tongs and place your eggs gently into the water so that your egg does not crack in the boiling water. And as you can see, there are plenty of air bubbles, but it is not at a rolling boil. Set your timer for 6 to 7 minutes. 6 if you want an ultra runny egg, 7 if you want a slightly runny egg. I actually prefer 7 because, yeah. Well, anyways, that pot be getting hot. If it starts getting too aggressively boiling, turn down your heat. Well, now it's done, so you can pour out all of that water into your sink nice and gently so that your egg does not roll out of your pot. At this point, you want to grab some ice cubes and place them in the pot with your egg. Fill your pot with cold water to stop your soft-boiled egg from continuing to cook after being removed from the boiling water. And you can let your egg cool down until it is cool enough to peel with your hands. At this point, you can turn on your kettle because we are going to boil our ramen noodles. So open up the pack, place it in a bowl, and remember there's crumbs at the bottom. So I always crush my ramen noodles up because if you don't, it's a little harder to eat. You're gonna be slurping like Lady in the Tramp. So yeah, just crush those noodles up so that they're easier and more bite-sized. Once your water is finished boiling, you can submerge your ramen noodles in the boiling water. So just fill your bowl until the ramen noodles are fully submerged. Should look like this. Cut open the seasoning packet. This is spicy chicken. Go with the spicy chicken. If you're not really into spicy flavors, you can use plain chicken. You can use spicy beef. You can use beef. I mean, you can pretty much use any flavor ramen you like for this recipe. But I like spicy chicken because this is a spicy ramen recipe and I love spicy food. The hotter the better. So once you've stirred your ramen seasoning and the noodles together, cover it with a plate so that it can steam inside the bowl and cook thoroughly. Now it's time to put all your garnishes into your ramen noodles, which takes this from a regular ass dish into an elevated and really scrumptious meal. So you want to chop your green onions up finely and place them inside the bowl. Next, you want to add your bean sprouts into the bowl. A couple of handfuls will do. Now, a couple of dashes of black pepper, sprinkle to taste. Now, it's time for the secret ingredient, Grace's hot pepper sauce, y'all. Do not use Frank's Red Hot. It is not hot enough. It has to be Grace Red Hot pepper sauce. Get it from your local grocery store, international food out, or your Jamaican food store. Now, don't miss this step either. You're gonna put in about like a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I know I went ultra light on the soy sauce, but yeah, you can put a bunch in there, to be honest. And now for the main event, your soft-boiled egg, hun. So your egg should be cool enough for you to peel and peel and peel that shell off. Okay, now you can slice your soft-boiled egg in two and see your result. This is what they look like. Purr, ain't they cute? So season with a dash of pepper, because they just gonna be plain in the bowl if you don't. Now you can gently place both halves into your ramen bowl. This is your finished product. Look at all of this ingredients. You could be at home starving on your little pack of ramen, or you could be doing it big. It's oozing like a yum yum. It's oozing. It's oozing like a yum yum. I know you see it. I know you see it. It's a beauty. But how does it taste? So combine your ingredients, or I mean, I guess you don't have to, but yeah. Even though the aesthetic was there, I gotta combine these ingredients for maximum flavor. Per. It's cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. And guys, this is not the first time I made this meal in that week. And I definitely added more soy sauce a few times. But guys, adjust this hot sauce to your liking. If you don't like spice, use just 1 or 2 dashes. If you do like spice like me, use at least a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half, maybe even 2 tablespoons. That shit gonna be hot, but it ain't gonna be excruciating. Okay, now we gonna taste. If you wondering how it tastes spicy and slightly peppery, a little bit crunchy from the black pepper. But yeah, it tastes spicy and the egg tastes like yolk. Yum. So you're really getting that yolky flavor with the nice doughy ramen flavor, which is just pasta-y, and then you get the spice and the green onions. It all goes together so well. It's crunchy, it's hot, it's everything. And here's a bite of that jammy yolk. Delicious. All right, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.